Hello friends, my name is Aditya Kaudaskar. Today we are going to learn how to solve the linear programming problem using Microsoft Excel Solver. In the previous video, we have seen the basic concept of linear programming problem, that is LPP, the requirement of LPP. We have solved one numerical also of maximization function using MS Excel Solver and how to add the solver in MS Excel. Okay, so here today we are going to learn about the minimization function. So here you can see our objective function is given minimize z is equals to x minus 3y plus 2z, and this is subject to three constraints 1, 2 and 3, and x, y, z, that are the decision variables, must be greater than equals to 0. So this problem fulfills the requirement of linear programming problem. As we can see here, there are three decision variables, means we can say there will be three products A, B and C. So the ABC products are having certain production cost per unit. So we here our minimization function is say we have to minimize the total production cost of the products A, B and C. See, X is the number of products produced of A, Y is the number of products produced of B and Z is the number of products produced of C. So we will see production cost per unit. So the production cost per unit of A is 1, for B it is minus 3 and for C it is minus 2. It is the coefficient of x, y, z in the objective function. Then we have three decision variables x, y, z. Now we will find the total production cost for the three products. The total production cost for the three products, that is equals to sum 1 multiplied by x plus minus 3 multiplied by y plus 2 multiplied by z. So here it is the total production cost. Now there are three constraints. Constraint number 1, constraint 1, constraint 2 and constraint 3. So in the constraint 1 we will write the coefficients of x, y and z for the products A, B and C. 3 minus 1 2, and here minus 2x, so minus 2 4, z term is not here, so 0, minus 4 3 and 8. So the total availability of the constraint is the right hand side of the inequality sign. So we'll write out the availability. So the availability of constraint 1 is 7, for 2 it is 12 and for 3 it is 10. Now the total consumption of first resource, that is constraint number 1, must be less than equals to 7. Okay, the constraint number 2, the consumption of constraint number 2 must be less than equals to 12, and the consumption of the third constraint must be less than equals to 10. So we'll find out the total consumption of each constraint or each resource equals to sum 3 multiplied by x plus minus 1 multiplied by y plus 2 multiplied by z. So likewise for the constraint number 2, sum minus 2 multiplied by x plus 4 multiplied by y plus 0 multiplied by z. Then for third constant, sum minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by y plus 8 multiplied by z. Okay, so these three constants, the consumption of three constants must be less than equals to their availability. So now we have to find out the total production cost. So we'll go into the solver, which is in the data tab of MS Excel. So solver, I have this value, so I'll reset it all. See, so first is set objective. Our objective is minimization function. So where we want our value to be returned, so it is in this cell. So our total production cost will be returned in this cell, and our objective function is minimization by changing the variables. So our the variables that are changing are the decision variables. So here decision variables that are going to change. Then we have three constraints, constant 1, 2 and 3. We will add these three constants. So add constant number 1, that is must be less than equals to 7. Add second constant less than equals to 12. Add third constants less than equals to 10. Okay, make sure this box must be checked. It shows make unconstrained variable non-negativity, that is it fulfills x, y, z greater than equals to 0, and our solving method is simplex LP. Simply click solve. So here our answer window will open. So solver found a solution, all constraints and optimality conditions are satisfied. Click OK. Here we are getting our answer, that is minus 11. So what it means, if we produce 4 number of product A, 5 number of product B and 0 number of product C, our total cost, production cost will be minimized by rupees 11. So I hope you have understood how to solve the problem having minimization function using Microsoft Excel solver. In the next video we will see how to solve the linear programming problem having the mixed inequality sign, that is it may be equals to, greater than equals to and less than equals to. Thank you.